Hey everybody, Frank from Car Care Specialties. Today we're going to do the alternative to washing the car at home with a pH neutral shampoo that's formulated for your paint using a chenille wash mitt and using microfiber to dry it. We're going to do the automated car wash. So let's go through and see what it's about. So first thing is, do we know where this shampoo comes from? I don't know. Now, these drapes, I feel like grocery carts are being thrown into my car. That's what it feels like to me. As you can see, this is an environment that only lasts a few minutes. We're supposed to have a clean car. And here come the brushes. Now, I wonder if the brushes have microfiber on them, or are they steel reinforced? So what are they actually doing to our paint? It's a good question. And the waxes too being applied, we have to wonder what they're made out of. And are they even in wax at all? It's curiosity sake. Through the brush, the drapes again. I can't even hear myself think. Wow, very violent. Oh well. Again, feels like grocery carts being thrown into our car. We're coming up to the final dry and shine. So, as you can see, this is a very violent environment, the automated car wash. However, I understand why it's needed. People have schedules and time. They can't wash the car by themselves at home. But I would just recommend that if you have to go through a car wash at least twice a year, apply a good coat of wax or a good sealant to protect your paint from what we just went through. Have a great weekend, everyone. Frank again from Car Care Specialties.